Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog and welcome to my channel. This is Judith Tesoro Catalia, the famous Lazada vlogger. Guys, sorry for the late update, and most at all, I would like to shout out to our beautiful and mabait na coordinator namin sa Dynamics sa Lazada. Walang iba kundi si Madam Tessa Audrey. Shout out to you. Ito na request mo, Madam Tessa Audrey. Well, my content is about to our day of ganap of last Thursday weekdays, and the episode is about to our verify and check to our SS insurance benefits from company. That is next important appointment that the day. Kaya ayan, nandito na ako sa loob ng post office of main branch, in the other branch, in the other place of location ng Robinsons Galleria Mall. Diyan lang yan sa Cuyab, San Pedro, Laguna. At kasama ko ang mga close friends ko at workmates ko sa Lazada. Kami ay nagpa-verify and check about to our SS insurance benefits from company. Pero, syempre, gusto namin makasiguro na totoong hinuhulugan at nahulugan na ang aming SS insurance benefits. Kaya naman napamonitor namin sa mga staff employee sa mismong computer ng internet na totoong may hulog at nahulugan na ang SS benefits insurance namin. Syempre, nanggaling yan sa